Namaste everyone. Here I am going to establish distance formula which is related to coordinate geometry. Here x dash and y dash are mutually perpendicular. They are intersecting at this point. This is O, origin. Then this is called Cartesian plane, in which 2 points are lying like this. Suppose this point is P and this point is Q. Its coordinates are like this: P, x1, y1. This is an ordered pair. Q. Its coordinates are like this: x2, y2. This is also an ordered pair. Now, first element of this ordered pair is x1, so its distance alongside x-axis will be x1, which can be obtained like this. This is perpendicular O. Suppose this is point M, its distance is x1. Second element is y1, so this will be y1. Similarly, this is also perpendicular on x-axis, and this point is N. Now, this is ordered pair whose first element is x2. Its distance alongside x-axis will be x2, like this. And its distance alongside y-axis, that is y2, like this. Now, I have to draw a perpendicular from P on this QM, like this. This is perpendicular on this QM. Now, OM is x1 and ON is x2. Then MN will be x2 minus x1, and MN is equal to PR. Put here R. MN is parallel as well as equal to PR. So this will be also x2 minus x1. Similarly, MP is y1, this one is y1. RN is y1 and QN is y2. Then QR will be y2 minus y1. This will be y2 minus y1. Now, PRQ is a right angle triangle, as here is 90 degree. So in this right angle triangle PRQ, we have to use Pythagoras theorem to get hypotenuse, that is PQ, distance between point P and Q. This distance will be measured by using Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, a square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Those sides are PR and RQ. In right angled triangle PRQ. PRQ. PQ square. This is hypotenuse. PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square is equal to PR. PR, that is x2 minus x1 plus RQ. RQ, that is y2 minus y1. Its whole square implies that PQ square is equal to like this. Hence PQ is equal to root under x2 minus x1 its whole square plus y2 minus y1 and its whole square. This is known as distance formula. In this way, we can find distance between points P and Q lying in Cartesian plane. Take an example. Suppose P is point its coordinate P. Its coordinate is 2, 3. One other point is Q. Its coordinates are 4, 5. Then we have to find its distance like this. Here x1 is equal to 2. This is x1 and this is x2. x2 is equal to 4. y1, this is second element is y. y1, y coordinate, y1 is 3 and y2 second element, that is 5. Now distance PQ, hence PQ will be root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 its whole square. It will be calculated like this. x2 4, that is 4, minus x1, that is 2, plus y2, that is 5, minus y1, that is 3, its whole square. It will be 4 minus 2, that is 2, whole square, plus 5 minus 3, that is also 2, whole square. It will be 2 to the 4 plus 2 to the 4. It will be root under 4 plus 4, that is 8. It will be root under 4 into 2. A square root of 4, that is 2, root 2. This is root 2 units. In this way, distance between PQ, if its coordinates are like this, coordinates of P is 2, 3 and coordinates of Q is 4, 5, then its distance will be 2 root 2 units. This distance will be 2 root 2 units. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.